Hello, this is Luboš from the OpenSUSE release team, and in this short video we will show you how to deploy Cockpit web server on top of the Adaptable Linux platform, so you don't have to SSH to it in order to manage it or run workflows, and you can do it directly through the browser. So it'll be a really quick video. So where we are right now, we've deployed the QCOW image that you could have seen in the first video, enabled SSH, and we see the local IP. The cockpit will be running on port 1990. You can see there's nothing running. And so let's have a look. I recommend you to go to our docs. You can find them on GitHub, but this is basically under the latest build of the documentation. Everything is rapidly developing. We will deliver new prototypes every 3 months, so I recommend you to use the fresh documentation. And let's look for Cockpit. Cool. So we need to make sure that we have the ALP cockpit pattern. That's actually by default on the host. Grab Cockpit, you can see over there. Yeah, exactly. And now what do? So we have to look for a Cockpit on the registry. By the way, all the workloads are available in the SUSE ALP workload project in OBS. So you can basically run any Grafana, GDM, whatever you want to play with, feel free to. The lookup will take a few seconds, and then we will continue. So the deployment of the cockpit through workload is one of the ways. I would say it's a pretty cool one, so we will stick with it. Otherwise, you can as well just deploy RPMs. That can be also seen in the wiki page of the system management group, which was putting the information together. So feel free to check that one as well, but we will follow the official docs. So you can see, okay, we have Cockpit here, so let's just run it. We don't want to do one-off run. We will use installation, so we can then manage it through the through systemd, which I feel is pretty cool. Yes, and now we want to do systemctl enable Cockpit service, so it's available even after reboot. Bang. Did we do now? No. We want enable dash now. So it's running. Let's see. Is it running? The IP images. Yes, and we have a Cockpit web management. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Make sure to test all the other workloads as well.